Hi guys, it's Justena Elise, and today we are going to do these faux locks. If you're interested, just keep on watching. I actually got these faux locks off of Amazon, and I'll leave the link below, and also a promo code that you can use to get a couple of coins off on this hair. And I'll put the name of the brand that I use. I actually they sent me this hair, and they actually sent me 6 packs in these packs, and I only used 2. No, well, like 2.5 packs. Third pack, I have like this much hair left to create this style. It's very lightweight. It is so easy, and I just love it. One thing that I want to note about the hair is that it does have a slight like smell. So if you want, make sure you rinse your hair with apple cider vinegar, or like shampoo it kind of before you put it in your hair, because then you won't have that smell, especially if you have a problem with itchy scalp when you use synthetic hair. It took me probably to braid on my hair in like box braids, probably took me like 2 hours to put the hair in while watching TV and doing other stuff. It probably took me about 4 hours. Cords and jewels that I have in my hair, I got them from the beauty supplies. You can really get them from any beauty supply. I think it was like $1.99 or $2, something like that. It is an ombre color. I really like it. It's cute. I am going to keep it in for a couple of weeks. How it looks, and I'm going to kind of show you. And then at the end, I'll show a full body clip of my outfit today and stuff. And then my makeup look is going to be on my channel. I'll actually leave a link above. Basically how my hair looks. I did put the jewels in and made it look cute. So if you're interested in seeing how I put these faux locks in my hair, just keep on watching.
Alright guys, so if you made it this far in the video, make sure you subscribe. Click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do my box braids. First, I go ahead and section it off about in maybe an inch and a half, and I use my African Pride Black Castor Oil Gel that I use for my Protective Style series. I'll go ahead and apply it to the entire length of my hair. Then I go ahead and detangle it with my Denman brush, make sure that it's applied all the way to the length of my hair, and then I go ahead and start braiding my hair. I braid it down about like halfway, and then once I get halfway, I go ahead and split the middle section, as y'all can see here, and twist the end. Twist it all the way to the end. And then I coil the end after applying some gel to the end. And first it looks straight, but it's eventually gonna have a curl to the end. And I'm gonna do this one more time so y'all can see. Applying gel to the entire length of my hair, going ahead and detangling my hair, then starting to braid it halfway down, and then once it's braided, I'll go ahead and halfway down, I'll go ahead and start twisting. So I will go ahead and put some gel at the end just to help smooth it in, and then coil it. And this is basically how my hair is looking. Like I said, the straight parts will get curly once it dries. So this is the hair. I want to show y'all, this is 1 pack of the hair, and these are how many twists. It's a wavy texture. It is an ombre color, and this is basically how it looks. This is 1 faux lock. And I'm going to show you how I go ahead and open the crochet part of it. I did struggle a little bit with it, but that's how it looks when it's open. With the faux locks, I also got this crochet needle with some beads that I'm not going to use. And then I also bought these jewelry that I got from the beauty supply. And I am going to put them in my hair at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair. Section the part that I want to start on. So I'm going to show y'all 2 ways that of me attempting to put these faux locs in. This is the first way. This is actually the night I did the box braid. I go ahead and apply the faux loc to the crochet needle, try to pull it through, and then I grab and open up the hole and I take both the faux loc and my box braid through. After this is where it gets complicated, y'all. This is why I said that it's easy, but there is a slight learning curve. So I tried to attempt the crocheting through the faux loc method, using the crochet needle to go through the hollowness of the faux loc and bringing the braid through, but that didn't work. So I tried to wrap it. Wrapping, when you wrap, you gotta make sure that you don't over open the faux loc, and that's the mistake I was making here. So that's why you see me twirling and twirling, trying to make it work, but it wasn't working. I was twirling it completely the wrong way. I should have been twirling it in the direction that the faux loc naturally opened. So I did it this time, but my box braid was coming out. So I decided to do most of them off camera, and I was left with these 3 faux locs. So as y'all can see, one thing that I noted is that I have to make that hole big enough. And when I apply the crochet needle, I need to make sure it's to the base of my braid. I'll go ahead and hook the crochet faux loc onto the hook, pull it through, and then open the faux loc hole, the hole of the top of the faux loc wide enough, and go ahead and pull it taut to my hair. Alright, then I gradually open up the canal of the faux loc, and when I'm wrapping the faux loc around the box braid, I need to make sure that I'm wrapping it very, very tight. As y'all can see, from the top to where I am now, you can't even see my box braid, and that's the mistake I was making. I'm opening the faux loc little at a time and wrapping it very tight around my box braid. So by doing this is basically the wrapping method. I'm going to wrap it all the way down the box braid, and I'm going to keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping until I cannot see the box braid. Get to the very end. As y'all can see, I can not see the box braid at all, and then I'm going to pull it, and okay, the box braid came out, but that's okay. I'm just going to keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping just until that box braid is hiding in the faux loc. So that's the whole point of doing the wrapping method. Do not overwrap and do not wrap loosely. Your faux loc will come out completely seamless, like all these faux locs are. This is my entire head taken down, and as y'all can see, I love it. It is so cute. It's so seamless. My natural hair is hidden away. Oh, guys, this was easy, and I got a lightweight style that I can wear for a couple weeks. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my jewelry. I added the ropes, I added the beads, I added the crystals.
Natural hair queens, make sure you comment below the next protective style you want me to do. Make sure you like this video if you want more videos like this, and make sure you subscribe. And until next time, natural hair queens, you'll look blessed. Bye guys!